I use dish soap on my hair.
Oh, 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 African girl, don't you know you are a fighter? Oh, 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 African girl, don't you know you are a queen? Oh, 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 African girl.
Hey guys, welcome back. So thank you so much for every single one of you that have stayed. Thank you so much for the new subscriber, guys. I'm one subscriber away from meeting my goal. Let me get closer because I feel like you folks may not be able to hear me because I'm at work. Yes, I work overnight and I didn't have enough time to dry my hair out, tie it down with the do-rag, and show you folks. So I figured I was gonna show you once I got home, but I'm literally 30 minutes away from being off. The light is great. There's no one here. I have time, so I figured I would explain to you. So in this video, you're gonna be seeing me do my everyday full wash routine. I actually start the video in a very unconventional way, which is by using Palmer's dish soap. Yes, dish soap. Dish soap. And this, I'm gonna put this disclaimer out there. I am not sitting in this chair telling you to go and put dish soap in your hair. I'm telling you, I put dish soap in my hair after some extensive research. This is my third time ever washing my hair with Dawn soap. It's not something I do regularly. I decided to use a Dawn soap because it is better than shampoo, but I am not telling you to go use it. Use it at your own discretion. Use it after you've done some of your research. Let me be one of the avenues that you stop at when doing research, but let me not be the only one, because again, I'm speaking solely on what and how my hair reacted. So yeah, but I rambled enough. And then after the Dawn soap, you will see me obviously rinse out my hair. And then apply my conditioner. You folks know that I don't do the stereotypical conditioner. I just be making my own thing. So in today's video, or for today's routine, I actually used rice water and hibiscus water. That I obviously rinse the conditioner out of my hair. And I started to apply my deep conditioner. That was a combination of coconut milk, hibiscus, peppermint, olive oil, aloe vera juice, almond oil, grapeseed oil. Yeah.
With energy, no need to be so cold. I wanna be more. Ooh, summer's calling. A beautiful summer is calling. Ooh, summer's calling. I really had a long way to you.
And after deep conditioning my hair, you're gonna see me rinse it out. And that's where I style it.
I've been going through it, you've been through it. I fall back and look at what we're doing now. I could yell at you, but what's the use? If you really love me, gotta prove it. Carrying this baggage needs a pack light.
Literally the only thing in my hair right now is my DIY butter mix. And I'm gonna keep this in like this for 2 weeks. I'm gonna be redirecting the channel a little bit. It's gonna be both about natural hair as well as my life, the people around me. I just want to do a full scope of what I am. So that's why I switched the name to actually my name, because this channel is gonna be about all things Adeline. But yeah, folks, so please like, comment, and subscribe, share the video, and your girl will be back next week.